Thank you. Kia ora, hi everybody. So far I've tried this 3 times and every time I've been over 5 minutes, but I'm going to go super fast. Okay, so I wanted to distinguish 3 kinds of AI. There's narrow AI, which is just focuses on a very, very narrow domain, like driving a car or playing Go. There's general AI, which is AI like us, that can solve a huge domain of problems. And then there's super AI, which is AI that's smarter than us. That's much better at solving a broad range of problems than we are. Okay. At the moment, we just have narrow AI. We don't have general AI, and we certainly don't have super AI, but that is not for want of trying, okay? So there's the human brain, it's 40 petaflops. There's our fastest supercomputers. As of about 2015, they began to reach parity with the human brain, and now they're about an order of magnitude faster. So our fastest supercomputer can now match the brain. There's the amount of money that's being spent on this. So as of 2021, $93.5 billion invested by corporations, governments added to that. It's a strategic priority of great powers. So here's Putin. He says whoever becomes the leader in the sphere of AI will become the ruler of the world. China has announced that it wants to achieve a first mover advantage in this field and be the premier innovation centre by 2030. As of last month, the US blocked China by stopping them from getting hold of the chips and the hardware and the people they need. Okay, so there's a huge effort to develop AI. Now suppose we may fail. Right, but suppose we actually succeed with all of this money and all of this effort. Suppose we achieve general AI, then the step to super AI is trivial, right? For various reasons, one of which is you just have to make the computers faster, right? So if a super AI kind of becomes 10 times faster than it was before, then it thinks 10 times more quickly and it solves problems 10 times more quickly than we can, right? Okay, If we are successful in these efforts, then soon we will not be the smartest creatures on the planet anymore. Okay. Now, gorillas are a lot stronger than us, but we keep them in cages, and their fate hinges on us, whether we decide to let them live. And we basically let them almost go extinct. The issue is, if we're not the smartest species on the planet anymore, then what's to stop us ending up in the same position that the gorilla is in, right? Okay, so here I wanted to distinguish 3 kinds of intelligence. There's what's called an oracle. This is a chatbot. The only way it can interact with the world is by answering questions, by printing the answers on a computer screen. It's very restricted on how it can act. There's a genie. A genie is an instruction execution system. You tell it what you want it to do, and it does it, and then it waits for its next instruction. A sovereign is a machine with an open-ended goal of its own. There's no human in the loop. It just has its goal, and it pursues it. Okay, so I'm going to skip this stuff. A question for you, the audience member. Suppose that we have invented super AIs. You've invented it, you're about to turn it on. How do you control it, right? How do you make sure it doesn't end up taking over the world? So here's my suggested plan. It builds on other plans. Okay, so first of all, the idea is you build an oracle and you box it, which means you seal it off from the rest of the world and off from the internet. You then establish that you can trust the oracle, basically by building several oracles with different designs and making sure they all give the same answers. And also you can test it out in a virtual reality, let it think that it's escaped into the internet and see what it does. Okay, and once you've established that the oracle is trustworthy, then ask the oracle how to build a sovereign with a goal that aligns with ours. There are a whole lot of suggestions you can run past it here, and I think we should, I'll skip past them. And the idea is that once the oracle that you can trust has established that there's a design for a sovereign that you can trust, then unbox the sovereign, release it into the world, and step back and leave the sovereign to stop people with malign intentions from using technology in dangerous ways. So we'll just have this superintelligence that's good and that rules the world. End of my discussion.